With the rise in cases of the myopia among children, Dr. Radhika Tandon, Chief and Professor of Ophthalmology at AIIMS Delhi, said on Monday there is an unfortunate social trend of giving mobile devices or screens to toddlers, as a result of which there is an increase in myopia and problems with dry eye. She stated that there can be other means of giving the children entertainment but not near devices.
Already got a very good inbuilt retinal training curriculum, but we have found that many people who are requiring this training are not having access. So therefore we have designed a customized module so that those ophthalmologists who require to upscale or upskill their knowledge of retinal diseases, they can come and have this training in a modulated fashion, and it is customized according to the level of expertise of the trainee as well as the level of the facilities available. The idea being that all patients all over the country should have access to at least a basic level of retinal expertise, and then the network of knowledgeable people will expand, and then there will be a proper referral system. Also decision making and also knowing when to intervene, how soon to intervene, with what urgency to intervene. These are all parts of the training.
Ma'am, as AIIMS frequently does a lot of research work related to eye sector also. So if we talk about retina, is there some new technology or research work which is going on in AIIMS?
It's always, the retina team is always undertaking lots of new research in many ways. One is comparing protocols. Second, finding out the best surgical modules. And there are so many things in surgery also which can be tested better or studied better, so that you know that in which particular patient which surgery works better and what are the steps of surgery. So all this research is going on as well. In addition, there is research going on to look at the various genetic disorders and any potential in future for gene therapy and other high-end therapies for people with degenerative disorders. Plus, even the treatment of diabetic retinopathy, a lot of research is still going on. One is using AI-enabled screening systems, and also operational research. By operational research, we mean how can we improve the facilities for patient referral, patient follow-up, patient treatment. So all of this research is going on side by side along with this new educational pattern. So this we will start, and then we will re-evaluate after a few months, and then if it works well, then we can expand to other hospitals.
And as we have seen that, the children in a very young age start watching, the tabs, and their exposure in television also is too much, screen exposure. How do you see this, and are you getting such patients also?
Oh yes, so this is an extremely important question, and there is a unfortunate a social trend now, or a habit, or you can say a accepted behavior in society to give devices to children when they are very young. This is something which is harmful to the child, because the natural growth of the eye of the child is not designed to have excessive near work before they reach a certain